Every day, people make countless decisions. Some are small, like choosing what to eat for breakfast. Others are big, like deciding on a career path or making business choices. One key factor that helps improve these decisions is feedback. Feedback is information about the results of a decision or action. It shows whether the choice was good, bad, or needs adjustment. Feedback comes in many forms. It can be a response from others, data from a system, or even self-reflection. When feedback is used properly, it helps people learn from their experiences. It creates a loop where decisions are tested, results are observed, and improvements are made. This loop is often called the feedback loop. The first step in using feedback is to collect accurate information. Without reliable feedback, decisions may be based on incorrect assumptions or incomplete knowledge. For example, a company launching a new product might collect customer reviews and sales data to understand how well the product is performing. Next, it is important to analyze the feedback carefully. Not all feedback is equally useful. Some may be biased or irrelevant. Successful decision-makers focus on constructive feedback that points out strengths and weaknesses clearly. Feedback also encourages flexibility. When new information shows that a decision is not working as expected, it allows for adjustments. Being open to change is critical because it helps avoid repeated mistakes and improves outcomes over time. In many fields, feedback is a fundamental tool for growth. In education, teachers give students feedback on their work so they can improve. In sports, coaches provide feedback on performance to help athletes develop. In business, feedback from customers and employees guides better strategies. Moreover, feedback promotes accountability. When decisions are followed by clear feedback, people understand the consequences of their actions. This motivates them to make better choices in the future. However, feedback should be timely. If feedback comes too late, its value decreases because the decision-maker might have moved on without learning from the experience. Immediate or regular feedback is more effective. In summary, feedback plays a vital role in improving decisions. It helps people understand the impact of their choices, learn from mistakes, and adapt to new information. Using feedback effectively creates a continuous cycle of improvement, leading to smarter, more informed decisions. To benefit from feedback, always seek it actively, listen carefully, and use it constructively. This approach makes decision-making a powerful skill that improves with practice and experience.